Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Farah and I'm known as Farahbrightart on all the social media platform. I'm a mandala artist, but I really love to just like mix and match, if I can say, my mandala art with so many different type of art. Like let's say texture art, watercolor, acrylic paints, or whatever. I love to add my touch of like mandala or zentangle no matter what. So usually you will see me always work with markers, with doing like fun backgrounds with rainbow colors and vibrant colors, and then draw over it such like something like a mandala or something on the top. So in today's video, I really want to focus on these kind of videos that I have been talking about like recently with like watercolor and mandala. I know like most of you know me for this kind of art, but I really don't really film these video before for my YouTube channel, so I really apologize for the form of the video, and I really hope you're gonna enjoy it no matter what. So one of my goals this year was to just like focus on my YouTube channel and keep sharing vlogs and behind the scenes and everything about like my art in general and about my life. But not everything we wish and we write actually we do. Although I have tried really so much on the beginning of the year to keep sharing the same content which is vlogs and something like of behind the scenes and everything like that. But the thing is that it's really taking a lot of my time to special these kind of like videos and edit them and everything. So that's why I couldn't actually keep going with that. Although I truly enjoy it so much, but it's out of my control. I can't really handle that anymore. And like let's say at least for this period of time because I'm truly busy with so many different things and I don't want to share just like because I'm sharing. I want to share something that you guys gonna really enjoy it. So just bear with me until I truly have the enough time to share like a special content for you guys, and I promise that gonna be absolutely soon. And now I'm gonna leave you for a little bit for you to enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks a lot for being here and like support me no matter what. I love you guys. here we go, and here is the last part for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today as much as I really wish. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe and tell me your favorite work of all of these. I would love to hear you on the comment. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video so soon, as long as I'm sharing like a repeated content. So sorry for you guys, and I truly hope you are enjoying the process like as much as I really wish you guys to enjoy it. Love you guys so much, and see you.